Hey guys, it's me Aiden, and today we heard another doorbell ring and another Amazon package was dropped off at our door. This one, unlike yesterday's, be sure to check out that video as well. It's not exactly a box, it's more of one of these bags. So let's get opening. Okay. Where do I cut this from? Should be good. Give it a rip. Here we go. As you may have seen in a couple videos ago, I got this new PDP Face-Off Pro controller for my Switch. Be sure to check out that video. And you might also see this. It's a USB. And if you look at the Switch, I don't see any USBs, which means you can't use this. Which means you can only use this on HDMI mode, whether as just plugging it into the Switch. And that's not very good if you don't want to play on HDMI mode, or you don't have an HDMI or you don't have anywhere to put it or to play it on. So we got this tiny little thing. It's a USB-C to a USB-A 3.0 mini adapter. It's from Nonda, and I guess we'll just open it if I can. Where does it open? Okay, I think I may have gotten it. Open! How does this open? Oh, and you may hear in the background our two puppies are playing again. Hold on. Yeah. Be careful here. Please, open. Got it. Yes. Pop it out. This thing's tiny. And there we go. It is absolutely tiny. There's the USB-C, USB-A. If we get this, which is a USB for that, and you get this, and we put them in together, it fits. Woohoo! So then you take this and you put it into the bottom of the Switch, which is also USB-C, and boom! Now let me just try this. I believe that yep, the light's on. It's working, but you see how there's a stand at the back here, and when you try and stand it up, this just kind of ruins it. Well, that's not very good, because that means you have to either put it in your lap and then you hurt your neck. Therefore, we have something else to solve that, and you might already know from what I just did. Get that out of here. Open. Come on. Come on. Please. Okay, nope, scissors. It's open. I wonder what that is. Pop it out. It is a Playstand for the Switch. Let's get this open. And boom, there we go. It's just this. Let me try and figure this out real quick. How does this work? Where's the instruction? Pop it out. How? Okay. You pull this thing out. Pull it out, please. There we go. And now you take out these two. There we go. That's down. And then you pull this down. Oh, and you can put it in the different hatches. And then you go to the front, pop this down. Boom. And then, oh, okay. And then you take the Switch, put it on top, I said put it on top, and there. So we have the stand, nice, it's working, and then we can adjust the back part to make it taller or smaller, or yep, smaller. And there, I believe, if I power this on, yep, it's working, and hey, it's working now. Woohoo, okay. So, that's it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.